Dr. Bilal Piracha again. I'm here to discuss how to tackle the panic and with some latest updates. Before that, I thank you all for all your appreciation and encouragement so far, also your prayers, wishes and concerns when we are working in the ER at the forefront. At this point, when number of the cases are skyrocketing in US, number of deaths increasing, it is nothing but natural to get panicked. But we have to keep in mind, we have to understand that God's given only weapon to us is our immune system, which can fight back any infection and this virus as well. According to Neuropharmacology Journal study, that immune system gets strength by double pathways from our brain, and that double pathways get hurt and affected by direct attack of panic and anxiety on those, and that makes us receptive to new infections and reactivates the old infections. So how to tackle the panic and strengthen our immune system at this point? Number one, please keep in mind most of the times this treatment of this disease is at home. We are sending back patients home even if they have mild cough, mild shortness of breath, low grade fever. Please check CDC symptom checker Clara, which gives good advice according to your symptoms, your age and your sick contact. The supportive treatment at home is Tylenol or Panadol, good hydration, steam, things like that. Number two, the precautionary and protective measures have been doing very well in Hong Kong and China, so we need to continue doing the good work. Hand hygiene, as we know, social isolation, mitigation, lockdown, whatever is required, whatever is told by authorities, we should follow. I would like to encourage my listeners in Pakistan now to force your home employees to continue coming at this time. Let them be safe at their home, you safe at your home, and give them paid leave. That will be charity on your part. Next, this is the time, this is the golden opportunity to reconnect with family. According to multiple studies, those who are well connected with family have 50% more chances of recovery from chronic conditions. How about having at home sittings together, playing together, eating together, fun together, learning activities together? And how about globally, we have weekly Zoom reunions and connect with our uncle, aunts, cousins, and all grow stronger together. This is the time to disconnect from social media and electronic media. Please stop watching and sharing minute by minute death toll, minute by minute number of cases. That is doing nothing but increasing our anxiety, and that is making us a little insensitive when we are dealing lives as mere numbers. Next, how about we act on the advice of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam that we say something good or we stay silent? I know there is a lot of bad news and doesn't seem anything good coming from anywhere, but there is some light on the other side of the tunnel. According to a study from Michigan Institute of Technology, according to a study from Spain and Finland, the virus replicates fast between 37 degrees Fahrenheit and 62 degrees Fahrenheit, but then it slows down. So hopefully summer will be helpful. Number two, multiple trials of medicines going on. One big trial is by NIH, and that trial is studying multiple medicines. And according to Dr. Klausner of University of California, Dr. Hussain of Global Health Think Tank, as early as April, we may see some medicines approved for treatment and also for prophylaxis. Next, according to epidemiologist of Johns Hopkins, this virus is not as fast mutating as was feared before. That will be good for vaccination and treatment. Dr. Anthony Fauci, in his interview with NBA Star, told that there is dichotomy of people. One extreme thinks everybody is going to die. One thinks nothing is going to happen. We need to be in balance. We need to be in the middle. Next, how about we continue growing, continue watching our daily healthy routine and exercise. That is very helpful for your immune system and your anxiety. You can go out and jog, make use of the online resources. Final thing, this is the time to reflect. This is the time to reconnect with our Lord and pray to the Lord as with the belief that He is our ultimate sustainer and helper, and we have to help around that prevents afflictions coming to our side from religious standpoint as well as from study standpoint. Help ICNA Relief here, Al Khidmat in Pakistan, who are doing wonderful job on the ground. I am responsible for all the information so far. You can follow me on Twitter. I'll be happy to answer any question. Our slogan, tackle the panic. Thank you, Ayvallah.